Hello everybody, this is Nancy from AU Group Electronics. We have received 3 broken gauges and 1 broken gauge control module. This gauge control module is broken and beyond repairable, so we made a new one. Here is the new gauge control module. It is a little bit smaller than the original one, but with same function and same connector. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the function of the new gauge control module and the function of these 3 rebuilt gauges. First, I'm going to plug in. So you see the pointer on the gauges are moving. Then I change the value back and forth, and you see the pointer is moving back. Moving a little bit. On this gauge, it is an engine coolant temperature gauge. The temperature is about 250 Fahrenheit. On this engine nozzle pressure gauge, the pressure is about 125 psi. On this Hourmeter, it is 592.4 hours. That's all for today's demonstration. Thanks for watching.